If you're one of those people that still believe they are naturally ugly because they don't have money, come closer. This video is for you. Make sure you watch to the end because I'm about to share with you 3 major things that makes you ugly and how you can look more attractive without spending a dime. Now, the first thing that is still keeping you ugly is negative mindset and gossip. Yes, a lot of people believe that for them to look beautiful and attractive, they need to spend money on makeup kits, fillers, and cosmetic procedures. While this can enhance your physical appearance, if you fundamentally believe that you are ugly, you will never feel beautiful because true beauty starts with self-acceptance and confidence. Let me tell you something. If you think ugly thoughts about yourself, you will start to look ugly with time. It will start to show on your face. Those ugly thoughts you keep telling yourself, you keep thinking, it will start to show on your face because that is what you constantly visualize. That is what you constantly imagine in your head, that you are ugly. With time, you will start to look ugly. But when you feel and think that you are beautiful, you will notice even others will start to admire your beauty. You don't have to be that beautiful or light skinned to think beautiful thoughts about yourself or to feel beautiful about yourself. So negative mindset is one thing that is still keeping you ugly. On the other hand, if you're this type of person that goes from one blog to another, dropping negative comments on other people's posts, on other people's pictures, all you do every day is to retweet about celebrities, spread fake news about celebrities and others, gossiping about your colleagues and waiting for someone's downfall, this is one thing that makes you ugly. Believe me, gossiping about people, wishing others bad, commenting negatively, listening to negative and ill things about others, listen, it makes you an ugly person. Being ugly is not just about the face. It's not just about the dark spots on your face and the structure of your face. No. Consuming content that does not have anything to do with you makes you ugly. Anytime you wake up from bed and the first thing you do is to log into social media to go and drop negative comments or fight on social media, it shows that you are insecure and bothered. You need to do something about that. You are stressed about another person's life. You are going to age fast. Yes. If you put that same energy into yourself, believe me, you will become more pretty and more attractive. You can't keep spending money on skincare when you are stressed because it takes energy, it takes strength to go from one social media to another, commenting negatively about other people, thinking negative thoughts about yourself. It takes strength. Your insecurities are keeping you ugly. It's only ugly people who hate themselves that spread hatred all over the place. Negative behavior makes you ugly. Spread positivity everywhere, smile often, and stay happy. Okay? The next thing on my list that is still keeping you ugly is poor hygiene. Poor hygiene and lack of grooming can negatively impact your appearance. It can ruin your image. Having body odor and bad breath is the easiest way to chase people out of your life. A lot of people go into the bathroom and rush out within 2 minutes without properly washing their body. You can't smell good when your body is not properly washed. You need to learn to spend more time in the bathroom. And when you don't use deodorant after shower, with time you're going to develop this unpleasant smell, unpleasant body odor that will scare people away from you. You don't need a lot of money to smell good. Spend more time in the bathroom. Once in a while, use this hard brush to scrub your body. It helps. Scrub your whole body. Take your time to wash your feet, wash your armpits, wash your body. Care for yourself. Sometimes you need that time. You don't have to be always in a hurry when you go into the bathroom. Sometimes go there, spend time, listen to music, wash your body. Because if you don't wash your body properly and you apply all this deodorant and body spray with time, your body is still going to smell. Make sure everything you use in the bathroom smells good. Your moisturizer, your body soap, your scrub, your body I mean, everything you use on your body, make sure they smell good. It's better to smell good and not be well dressed for an occasion than to dress well but have a terrible smell. Smelling good helps you feel good about yourself. A lot of the time you are in bed, you are crying, you are thinking of how to look good, how to appear sexy and all those things. Meanwhile, you don't know about the little things you should be doing, like taking care of your body, taking care of how you smell, both your mouth, your body, everything. Bad odor can overshadow even the most stylish attire. It can hinder you from social interaction and networking opportunities. When you don't care about how you smell, it shows that you don't love yourself enough. You don't even respect yourself, because when you don't smell good and you go out, people are going to start talking about your body odor. They're going to start talking about your armpits. Some people don't even use deodorant. They just shower, use the moisturizer, then put on the perfume on their clothes. I mean, especially we black people, come on. When you don't brush or floss regularly, people will stay away from you. These are noticeable things that can make you appear ugly. Ignoring your skincare can leave your skin ugly. Walking around with dents in your natural nails or crusty nails makes you ugly. These are little things you don't even know that is making you ugly. People are not approaching you, people are not talking to you, you hardly meet a guy, you hardly meet this. I mean, when you don't care for yourself, who is going to even look at you? When you don't look good, when you don't smell good, who is going to look at you? Let's leave makeup, dressing aside. When you don't smell good, no matter how good you are dressed, people will stay away from you. Spend money on your body, your deodorant, your body cream, your body mist first before makeup. Trust me, you don't let the pursuit of artificial beauty distract you from maintaining your natural assets. And when you take care of yourself, you will always show up with confidence and feel more beautiful. So this might be one thing that is still keeping you ugly, and you'll be thinking it's because your makeup is not well set and all that. No, the way you smell matters. Your body, your mouth, they matter. The last thing that a lot of people do that keeps them ugly, OMG, is this. Being mean. Do you understand? Being mean unnecessarily as a girl, it is a no-no. It's a no-no. People don't really care about how pretty you are physically. It doesn't matter how expensive your makeups are. Listen, if you don't treat others well, if you treat others poorly, you are automatically ugly. I'm telling you. Being unkind and rude to others can ruin your reputation, because true attractiveness is often rooted in inner questions like kindness, empathy, and respect. Negative behavior can overshadow your physical appearance. A lot of men, a lot of people, like I said earlier, don't really care about how hot, your shape and everything. As long as you have attitude problem, as long as you treat others like they are nothing, they're not coming close to you, because nobody wants to be treated like nothing, even when they don't have money, even when they are not, they're not beautiful or they're not up to your standard. If you have attitude problem, the best thing to do is to work on yourself, or stay away from people until you're good, because people will avoid you. You are going to lose important people. Disrespecting people who works for you, like your gatesman, your drivers, and other employees, because you hold a position of power, makes you unattractive. Recently, I noticed that some people justify their mean behaviors with this statement of, oh, I don't want anybody to disrespect me. I'm a very emotional person. That is why I'm mean. That is why I'm rude. That is why I'm like harsh. I understand. But let me tell you something. You can be kind and friendly while maintaining clear boundaries. Learn to carry yourself with dignity and respect. At home, at your office, anywhere you find yourself, carry yourself with dignity and respect. Know when to end a conversation. Know when to leave a room. These are things you need to learn. It's important to treat others with kindness, including strangers. People don't forget how you make them feel. Being mean, being rude to people, especially as a girl, it makes you unattractive. When you treat people poorly, people will avoid you. I'm telling you, don't be kind at home only. When you come outside, treat people with love, kindness, and respect. It makes you more attractive. Keep makeup aside. These are little things that makes you more attractive. There are times you wonder why ugly girls get good treatment. Some of them are ugly. I hardly say people are ugly because everyone is beautiful, right? So sometimes the pretty girls always be like, oh, the ugly girls are getting married, they are getting these good treatments and all that. Sometimes it's because of their good heart. Some of these people have good hearts, and and the girls who think they are more pretty tend to be rude. I mean, some of them, right? So these are things you need to cut out if you want to appear beautiful and attractive. I'm not going to tell you to use mascara and comb your eyebrows and all that today. No, I want you to work on your inner self. You know, one thing about me on this channel is that I love to tell you girls things. Sometimes like, I'll be a little bit harsh because some people don't even understand, right? The way you treat people matters a lot. I'm not, I won't ever be harsh on you guys, but I try to pass the information the way you can understand me. Not taking care of yourself, having bad breath, treating people poorly, gossiping, having a negative mindset, all these things makes you ugly, okay? Now, this is all I have for you today. Do you struggle with any of these? Being mean, being negative, gossiping, poor hygiene, and everything I mentioned in this video? Let me know in the comment section. I want us to interact. Let's have a conversation and find a solution together. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy watching. Subscribe to my channel, share my video with your friends, and drop your comments. I love you so much, and I will see you next week. Bye.